This real healthy, you know?
Lobster.
Lobster? Yeah.
Sorry.
Mambo. Look good now.
This for 20 easy, guys. Wow. Real Vincent style, look at that. I go. Yum. Say yum. Tastes good, guys. Come on. Yeah, peeps. Welcome back to another episode of Teary Naturally. Today we're at lovely Belmont Lookout. Check this view here. Yeah, peeps. Soon I'll show you guys a drone footage of this beautiful area. Come on, man. So today we're gonna do a road trip to Owia. Owia people be coming. Big up all yourself when you're done with Teary Naturally, featuring Options, ENT and Vincy Gem. Big them up. Don't forget Vincy my life. One love, fams. All the best in the new year, and let's have a fun day today. On we go. Yeah, like this. Big up my girl Shanika this one time. Check out her Instagram, peeps. Tell the people that my Instagram.
I changed my Instagram from Mama to Sham. Everybody's not really my using right now.
Yeah, guys, big chef same way. And over here, so come on, man. You're getting a lovely view on that side as well. We're in Mespo, guys. Big up Options ENT one time.
Oh man, there guys. We got Belmont Lookout.
Yeah, man.
It's the first side.
Check out Vincy Gem, guys.
Hey guys.
Make sure
Check me out, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Oh, you laugh so.
Big up Options and Terry.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you laugh so TV.
Me? Today is going to be a fun-filled day.
Yeah,
come
I
on.
agree.
Yeah, man.
We see I laugh.
Guys, take a look over this. Vince, real lovely, you know. Oh my God. Wow. Mess with people, big up all yourself, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this lovely video today, guys. Fun filled adventure park day. Come on, man. On up further, but first we're gonna stop and get something to eat at Blue Coconut. Here guys, a nice restaurant by the roadside here. So well, we're here basically on weekends Yeah, you could get lunches and roast chicken, roast pork. They have wonderful seating area at the back here as well. So you could sit down, have your meal, have a nice drink under the nice coconut trees. Come on, man. Look at the sea view. Chill with friends.
I don't even know where you are.
Check that out, please.
Yeah, it look good now.
This for 20 easy, guys.
Red taste, you know.
Come on, man.
Hold on, it look like.
Pork for chicken.
Tastes good, peeps.
This girl I love pork.
Tastes good.
Yeah,
Pork ambassador.
Let me try this. Maybe.
Pork, now I'm not like what's to do with pork, yo.
Salad is your bread,
Salad.
tastes really nice.
When you guys having breadfruit again?
I don't know when the tree will give you so.
Oh Lord. When I came back the other day, but you guys were done God.
Big up on yourself, fam.
to get some the other day.
Trust me. When
Yeah, that's why I was so
try
happy,
it.
but
Oh, cool.
I couldn't wait.
Tastes really delicious.
We're done late.
My overall review, I give it a nice 8.5 out of today. Don't know. That real hard to accomplish.
Chicken.
More chicken, I want the chicken.
So put sauce? Check out the lovely owner of this, guys. Big share.
Thank you.
Check out the girl.
Chicken.
Check out that chicken this.
We'll taste it now.
People say kind of fancy thing, Jam go out with. Jam pull off the chicken off the bone and this.
My brain says I can't bite like I want to.
Man, Jam. Real Vincent style, look at that. I go.
Yum yum yum.
You say yum 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 yum. Tastes good, guys. Come on, man. Camera woman, this all. No, we can't sell for her. We can't.
Yeah, guys, it's good. Please never disappoint.
Love ease.
I'm being my focus on that. What's my black region?
And peeps. Right by the stretch guys. Alright, big up yourself, no man.
Straight up. Big up Thierry too.
Yeah, man.
Love man, big up on yourself.
Guys, I'm fan over there, so big him
Come
up
on,
same way.
Up shots. Bless up, bless up.
Hey, Catty, you good? Yeah, peeps.
That's toxic.
We're by the gas station, just filling up. We're gonna go down Brighton. We're gonna go down Mount Young or Black Point, as some people may know it. Yeah, man. That's a new bridge we have just across there, guys. The entry to Black Point. I'm just gonna give you guys a closer look to the entry. Big up yourself over there, so guys. Guys, we have another pad over this. One love, fam. Big up yourself.
How much money me I go get?
Peeps, I don't know. How much are they think he going to get?
I don't know. In the movie, me want to be star.
You want to be a star?
I don't get the most money.
Come on, man. When you say papi, you want to be the star too?
Yeah, I had cooked. Well, no. Well, two star just got.
Two star? Oh, well, he does be a star too.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Guys, have fun this again. Crazy gem this one time.
Guys, I'm feeding the local.
Feeding the local what? Bones?
There was a dog here.
Oh, yeah, peeps. I was giving you guys a closer look to Black Point entrance. Some people may know it as forgot the name, you know, I mentioned it a while back in the video. But it will come to me, it will be on the screen down below. But here's the entrance to Black Point Historic and Recreational Park, guys.
Yeah, we come from the water.
Yeah, man. We're gonna give you guys a closer look just now, get something to eat, chill a bit, and then we move forward after we fuel up, guys. Catch you back on the video. Outside, Thierry Naturally featuring Options, ENT, and Vintage. Don't forget to pick up Vinci Wildlife one time, one love. To enter into Black Point, you have to go to the office, the main office there, pay 5 EC on entrance to utilize the park. And they have washroom areas as well, please. Look how beautiful up here is. Yeah. You'll have the best time of your life. Look at this view, guys. Yeah, guys. Wow. The Ghana just over there doing his thing. Yeah? Ensuring that the park is kept clean. You know? Wow. Black Point. They have gazebos for you to sit and relax. You can utilize the lawn space, spread your blanket, sit down, eat something. You can cook as well. They permit you to light fires. Yeah, here's the restroom section. Just there's a restaurant, but I'm not certain if it's operational. But to be on the safe side, cook your meal, bring it on outside. You and your family sit and enjoy. They have places where kids can go and have a little slide on the swing, you know. Entertainment for children. Let's get a closer look at the bay. Wow. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thierry Naturally bringing you things to do in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Outside farms. Wow. Taking you guys closer to the bay. Look at our beautiful, beautiful black sand. Wow. It's black sand for some persons who don't know, because we're a volcanic island. Okay? Check it out. Wow. Lovely. Plenty coconut trees down there, guys. Huh? This Vincent here don't know where the tunnel is. Don't worry. This is her first time, guys. Come on, man. And she enjoying. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at the tunnel. So look at the playground. Come on, man. Shanika, you going and try?
You got a paddy?
Because it's a nice slide, Shanika.
Great dog now.
We are 235 pounds on the peeps.
I'm comfy.
There's no comfort.
That's
Oh, Jesus.
alright then.
Come on, man. On the swing now. Let's go, let's go.
Oh, we got swing too. Oh.
Come on, man.
Yeah, nice.
Swing.
Please don't break down.
Hold on, come on, man. I hear what.
Oh, ja. Come on, Shanika. Don't stop me.
Stop it, stop it.
Yes. Yeah, peeps. Wow. Where's them? Moving along, peeps. Options are not going to swing? You. Hi, man. Hi, man. Peeps are going further out. Yeah? Going to the tunnel now.
So just the hot tag there.
Come on, guys.
Huh?
You guys have the little sticks and stuff like that for cricket work. This was left by some family. Yeah? Old school cricket.
Found that there?
Yes, 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 yes. Shanika finally see the tunnel. Ooh.
See to her.
You finally see tunnel her first time.
Your first time? I'll be million man.
Tiny house, my love. That's your farm house you walk.
A brief history lesson here, so come on now. Black Point Tunnel. Check it out, guys. See a little storage facility inside there. Yeah. That's what they used to store like sugars and supplies and stuff. They have life as well. Nice. Guys, do not drink the water with a blind to get not to drink it. Yeah? Notice that he ain't coming in here.
Why don't you fall? Yeah. You go pass. Now wait to come. Don't afraid.
Don't afraid, don't afraid. Come make me move. I'm back shit.
got the information to you?
Yeah. More places to sell sugar, guys. See how the big wide and open. Other supplies as well. Yo.
This is the best view ever.
Shanika says the best view
It's
ever.
the best view, guys, because wow, light and everything. I'm going back.
Guys, check out this, carving. These guys were so good to carve out this 350 feet of rock. Wow. Shanika, go up and take me. Come on.
What's it? Shaheen.
Oh, shit!
Come on. Let's see if you could make it down.
Guys, steering wide.
What why the first time? The first time
Wide.
Oh, a wild theory. They say they used to put slave.
That's what they used to transport slave here. Black
Sugar.
Sugar, I thought was slaves.
Slave walk on it.
Yes, carrots walk on it.
Yeah. But just man.
You're so close to the barrier. Go swim around.
I do that yesterday.
You say you're close to the barrier, you could just swim around where you have to go. Yeah, you have to go swim there. Yeah?
I could swim now.
You don't go swim there.
But I got better things to do, you know.
It's better to get to survive.
Yeah.
Guys.
What we did? Yeah.
Look, another storage area under there. Yeah, man. Guys, comment down below and tell me what you think of this place here. And if you would visit it. See our historical landmark here, so check the view. It's beautiful. Like, share and subscribe, guys. Terry Naturally, bringing you fun things to do in St. Vincent and Grenadines. Yeah, man. This is something you could do with your family. Drive from town to country. Visit spots. Get something to eat. Come on, man. Well, you gotta top up the gas too. Check out the gas station then to help you guys with that. Buy some drinks. Along the way they have local juice selling, food. Come on, man. Bring your blankets, everything. Wow. Bring your blanket, guys, to sleep. Not really to sleep, just to spread on the grass. If you're somebody who wants to connect to nature, right? If you just lie on the grass, stuff like that. Options this so.
Second boy. Come on. Oh.
People TikTok star this one though. Check she out. We're gonna head to the next spot now. Catch you back on the road. Let's go. with the Point now. Point massive, big up themselves. All in one love. Them guys had them like a Christmas design. Show up. Check them out, fams. Wow. Santa bless them this year. Guys, on your way up to Owia, Salt Pond, there's a shop there where you could grab stuff to eat. Come on, man. Wow. Look at that view, guys. Check it out. There you have it. Talking about peeps, we're going to the next stop now. Owia Salt Pond. Guys, facility user fee, non-national 5 USD and non-national children 250. Nationals 5 EC, children 250. Come on, man. Big up everybody outside. Check out the site, guys. They have washroom facilities across there as well. Here, so it's a receptionist area where you can go and pay your fee and find out all you need to know about Owia Salt Pond. As we journey along, big up yourself, big up yourself. Come on, big up yourself. One love, fam. Children them have a swing there. You could go and have fun as well. So guys, they're providing fun things to do for children as well, not just adults. They have seating areas. You could spread your blanket, lie on the park, gazebos. Oh gosh, check them out, peeps. Owia Salt Pond. Let me know what you guys think of this area. Come on, man. For me personally, for ratings, I give it a nice 8.5 out of 10 because it have like basically all the amenities you need. And it's an easy trail, well, going down a lot of steps, but it's an easy trail still. Persons who have knee problems, just take your time and cruise on down. Trust me, the walk is worth it. Spider, guys. No littering as well. Kids having a lot of fun there, man. Wow. Families, friends, everybody just having a blast. They're utilizing the pot area, well, the cooking area, my bad. Wow. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. TV naturally.
Go ask boss.
So guys, we're gonna head down to the salt pan in a bit, but before we do, we're just gonna see if we could just film a little bit with these friends over here. So catch you back.
So, oh wow. That's your bread.
Yeah, man, what all that goodness, peeps. This real healthy, you know.
Lobster.
Lobster?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man. Them are going good, guys. Nice roast breadfruit and thing. Tanty for the chicken. Tanty, big up yourself. Yeah. You're traveling home. You came home. Yeah. Are you enjoying? Yeah. Nice, man. Check out this chicken well seasoned, guys. Check out that grill too. The grill master this way. Tanty, enjoying your vacation home. Enjoy. Chicken. Hello. Having a good time, guys. Peeps, is a lot of steps. Trust me, it worth it, yeah? I tell you how I Guys, I told you, you walk coming down there is very worth it. How much steps? How much? 95. Yeah. People done us 195. 195. No, 198 until he comes to 195. We will come going back up. Huh? Welcome to Owia Salt Pan. We're going to kick it wet just now. Tiri, Options and Vincegen. Let's go.
touch the ground. They think, be careful. Mama, this is thing. The Shana is like a 1 out of 10 now. 4 ratings. Peeps. Guys, oh my, salt in my eyes. Wow. Guys, check it back. Catch it back by the waterfall. We're gonna hit Kiss Me Waterfall now. Just get the salt off our bodies, you know. Nice to refresh, and then we hit the road again. So catch it back, we outside, and one love as always. Big up on yourself. Seems we're going up to the next spot. Yeah, man. Outside. Welcome to Owia, peeps.
Going up that way?
So, check the view over there, guys. Options there, so. Coming through there, you could, if you want, you could go farther down, but you could come across here as well. Yeah?
Do you know you going?
Of course I know where I'm going. I'm a wild girl, I know. Yeah, thanks.
Men lights is not good. Men lights is not good.
To the gym.
Don't come across it then. Come to Shanika.
The gentleman.
That's a top shot.
We're going to do camping.
Jem now have to close the edge.
Guys, Ashan's been a gentleman today. 10 points.
Wow.
The first time I come, yeah, first time I come here.
Run down, yeah.
Oh, me must have that black.
So now run up run. God damn. Yeah, run down too. Run down. You see like play?
Was a cold but it refreshes. Trust me. Wow. Outside. Those people coming up to the back there. And we here. Wow. Come on, Shanika. You're afraid? Why? Please, just go ahead. No. Guys, we're just having a ball. Yeah? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thierry Naturally featuring Option DMT and Vinceton. And we don't know. Big up into wildlife outside. And we just having a ball. Basically, one love and big up on yourself. As always.
paper.
I'm gonna try this one now. I'm gonna pop this one. Not bad. When I try silver, no? When you want it,
You want to come in, Jem? You want to come in? Oh.
there's a stone. Huh? There's a stone? Yeah. It real sweet, trust me. Wow. Like that. You know, like for this. Big up all yourself. Camera woman, this options, this check out this trial piece.
Right.
Voila.
Okay.
Peeps, we're moving on. All these gems, this